Did you know that 3D animated videos are one of the best niches on YouTube today? One of the trending niches on YouTube today, especially in 3D animated stories, is 3D animated ASMR content. I'm so excited today because I discovered a new way to create these videos with high-quality results, featuring colorful, detailed visuals, sound effects, and background music. As you can see, the videos turn out incredibly high quality. 3D animated ASMR videos are trending right now because people are constantly looking for content that helps them relax and unwind. These videos combine visually satisfying animations with calming sounds, creating a soothing experience that viewers can watch anytime, whether they're studying, resting, or going to sleep. Another reason they're so popular is because they keep viewers watching longer. The smooth visuals, gentle motion, and relaxing audio make people stay on the video, which helps boost watch time, and that's exactly what YouTube's algorithm favors. Many content creators are already becoming successful with this kind of content. And the surprising part is, they are not even animating everything by themselves. With the help of AI tools, creating 3D animated videos is now much easier, faster, and more consistent than ever before. This type of content stays powerful because kids and even kids at heart love watching these videos again and again. That means more repeat views, more engagement, and more chances for your videos to grow. And because of that, the YouTube algorithm often keeps pushing this kind of content to more viewers. So if you've been wanting to start a YouTube channel but have no idea where to begin, this type of content is a great opportunity. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how creators make 3D animated videos like a pro using AI tools. What are we waiting for? Let's get started.
Before we dive in, if you're new here, consider subscribing to the channel so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos on animation making. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it with your friends.
When creating 3D animated ASMR videos, we first need a prompt to generate the visuals. Then, we use an image generator and a video generator. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Step 1. Generating text prompts. To generate text prompts for our guide in creating scene images later, I'll be using ChatGPT. When creating a 3D animated ASMR video, we need a unique idea that our target viewers will enjoy watching. It should be both entertaining and calming, with a soothing ambience. The idea should come from us, while AI tools like ChatGPT serve as a guide to help us develop and refine it. So, I entered my idea of what I wanted to create. I asked ChatGPT to generate detailed prompts for an ASMR video featuring a fairy in a realistic 3D animated style. The fairy is wearing leaves in an artistic design, with bluish transparent wings and a hat made of leaves. She lives in a small fairy house hanging from a large tree, with other fairy houses nearby. The ambience is rainy and calming. The story shows the fairy waking up, making coffee, then going outside to gather strawberries. There is also a tall staircase leading down from the house. Finally, I asked ChatGPT to break this idea into 10 scenes. After that, click Generate, and in just a few seconds, ChatGPT will provide a complete set of detailed prompts for each scene. Step 2. Generating scene images. To generate beautiful, consistent character images for our 3D animated ASMR video, I'll be using Whisk Automator. Whisk Automator is an AI-powered image automation tool designed to generate high-quality, consistent visuals using well-structured prompts. It is especially effective for creators who want cinematic, story-driven images for animation and visual storytelling. First, go to whiskautomator.web.app and click the Get Extension Now button. You'll be redirected to the Chrome Web Store, where you can install Whisk Automator in your Chrome browser. Don't worry, the installation is quick and easy. I know your next question is it free? The answer is yes, you can generate AI images for free. The tool is currently available as an experimental project from Google Labs. However, keep in mind that AI apps may not stay free forever. So let's start creating and enjoy using the app while it's still free. Once installed, open the extension and sign up for Whisk, then launch Whisk Animator. To begin creating scene images in Whisk, let's first set up our main character. Go to the Subject section and upload your chosen character image. If you're wondering where this character came from, you can actually generate it using ChatGPT. Create a simple prompt describing your character. Choose the aspect ratio. For character, it should be 1:1 square format. Then generate it. In just a few seconds, Whisk will generate a more detailed version of your character. You can click Generate again to create another set of images, giving you more options to choose from. Once you have your character image, we'll use Whisk to create matching, consistent visuals so it can serve as our main character throughout the scenes. Next, it's time to generate our scene images. Go back to your prompts in ChatGPT, copy them, and paste them into Whisk. Then, drag your chosen character image into the Subject tool, set the aspect ratio to 16:9 in landscape format, and click Generate. In just a few seconds, Whisk will generate a beautiful scene image based on your prompt. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can simply generate again to get another set of images. Make sure to save the images to your computer. Then create the next scene image by copying the prompt from ChatGPT and pasting it into Whisk. Don't forget to add your character in the subject reference. Once everything is set, click Generate. Now generate all your scene images. What I love about Whisk is that it generates results very quickly, and you can continue creating new prompts while the previous images are still processing. Once you're done generating all your scene images, don't forget to save your selected images to your computer. And here are the images I generated in Whisk. These are my top picks. Step 3. Video generation. To animate and bring our scene images to life, I'll be using Flow. Flow is an advanced AI video generation platform designed to turn images and prompts into high-quality, cinematic videos. It stands out for its smooth animations, realistic motion, and ability to maintain character consistency, making it ideal for creating professional-looking 3D animated content. I know what you're thinking, Flow is very expensive. I know, but I just want to show you how beautiful the results are when generating videos in Flow. Compared to other video generation apps, Flow gives 100 credits to all users every month, plus 50 credits for coming back. When you use VO3 Fast, it costs 20 credits per video generation, so with 100 credits, you can create up to 5 videos per email account. That means you still get a chance to try the app every month. What I also want to highlight is that you can use Nano Banana image generation in Flow, which is currently free. I use it to enhance my images before turning them into videos, and honestly, it's amazing. The video quality is really impressive, and I want you to see it for yourself. That's why I created this video to show you. If your goal is high-quality 3D animated videos, the combination of Nano Banana enhancement and VO3 video generation in Flow is a game changer. To get started in Flow, simply drag your image into the platform and click on it. Then, type a simple prompt. For example, if you just want to enhance the image, you can type, "Enhance the color," and the fairy is making coffee. Next, check your aspect ratio and make sure it's set correctly. Select Nano Banana Pro, then click Generate and wait for the result. Once your image is ready, it's time to create the video. Upload the image you want to animate, then copy your text prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Flow. Select the video option, choose the number of frames, and make sure the aspect ratio is set to 16:9 landscape. Set it to generate one video per run, then choose VO 3.1 Fast. Finally, click Generate and wait for your video to be created. While our first video is still processing, you can already drag in another image to animate. This is one of the great features of Flow. It can process 2 or more videos at the same time, helping you save a lot of time. Just repeat the same steps for the next video. First, enhance the image using Nano Banana Pro, then proceed with the video generation. Upload the image you want to animate, then copy your text prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Flow. Then click Generate. There's no need to change the settings since everything is already set. And here are the results of the videos we generated earlier. After generating your videos, make sure to download them to your computer. Now that our video clips are ready, it's time to put them all together into one seamless video. Step 4. Video editing. To turn all our individual scenes into a complete, seamless 3D animated ASMR video, I'll be using CapCut. Launch CapCut, then click Create Project. Import all your video clips and arrange them in the correct sequence. Drag each clip onto the timeline following the order of your story. As you can see, there's a VO watermark in the lower right corner of the video clip since we're using a free account. To fix this, simply increase the scale of the video or drag the frame in the preview screen, then reposition it until the watermark is no longer visible. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 landscape, as this is ideal for long-form videos. Then, turn off track magnets so you can freely move and edit your clips on the timeline. Next, start trimming and cutting your clips. When generating videos, there may be parts that feel off, contain errors, or don't match the scene you want. So, we need to remove those unwanted sections and keep only the best parts to create a smooth flow. Simply preview the clip, position the playhead on the part you want to remove, then click Delete Left or Delete Right, depending on which section you want to cut. This is the easiest way to trim your clips. After that, adjust the timing by dragging clips left or right on the timeline to fix spacing. You can also increase or decrease the speed of a clip to better match your timing and improve the overall flow. Now, I'll apply this process to all my clips, cutting, trimming, and removing any unwanted parts. Please don't get confused, this is just a fast-forwarded clip of cutting and trimming unwanted parts of the video. I did this to save time so we can move on to the next step. Next, apply transitions. Go to Transitions, then choose the style you want to use. Use smooth transitions between scenes to make your video flow naturally. To apply one, simply drag your chosen transition in between your clips. You can adjust the duration to make it faster or slower, then press play to preview how it looks. Repeat this process for all the clips where you want transitions. Now, apply background music and sound effects. The videos we create in Flow usually come with background music and sound effects. However, there are times when the sound effects aren't consistent, like the rain sounds in these clips. And to fix that, we need to change the background music and sound effects. First, we need to extract the sound of each clips, then delete them all. Go to Audio, then select Music or Sound Effects. Search for the type of music you need, and a list of tracks will appear. Click on any track to preview it. Once you find the one you like, drag it onto the timeline to use it as your background audio. You can cut the background music, and you can also adjust the sound so it matches the visuals of your video. In this part, I kept the original sound of the video clips because the background music and sound effects were already just right. Next, I'll add more background music at the beginning to help set the mood for the video. I position the audio based on the timing of the sound and visuals to match the right mood for each scene. I also adjust the speed and lower the volume so it doesn't overpower the other background music. Then trim the excess part of the music. That's it. Our video is complete. I won't be adding any voiceover or captions since this is an ASMR video. This type of content designed to create a relaxing, calming feeling through gentle sounds and visuals. After editing, preview your project to check for any errors in the video. If you notice any issues, fix them right away. Once everything looks good, export your project. When you're ready, click Export to render your final video. Enter your video file name, choose your desired resolution and settings, then wait for the process to finish. Once exported, your complete video is ready to be saved and shared. If you'd like to watch the full video we created today, it's available right here. You can also check out our other animated video tutorials. They can help you improve your skills in creating 3D animated videos and guide you in choosing which AI applications are best for rendering images and videos.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Check out our other videos too.